half meter height basic height. তাহলে এমানଙ୍କର height was long and is like a rabbit. এমানে ছোট থাকি কিপরে না টেকুয়া দেখি বড় এমানে বেশি they were these heights are like a rabbit. But its height was 2.5 meter. কেতে বলে 2.5 meter. So Foster's kangaroo are the bigger than the wallaby. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes. There are some pictures you can show which kangaroo are wallaby and which kangaroo are